Hello everyone, my name is Yeti and this is my very first video. Today I will show you how to create these wonderful images that you can see on the screen. So what you need to do that? You need to install Python from official Microsoft Web Store. We need to install Git from official Git website. And we need to install Automatic 1111. Python and Git you can install anywhere you want, but for Automatic 1111 you should install it in your user profile name. Here, see user and your user profile name. There is two ways to install Automatic 1111. First from GitHub and second from command line. Type cmd and be sure we are in your user profile name and paste this git clone github.com automatic 1111 stable diffusion web UI.git. After installing stable diffusion web UI, go to this folder, scroll down and launch web UI user file. Beware, not this user file shell script, but the others, web UI user. Open that file. Wait a while. Model loaded. So now we need to go to your web browser and paste this 127.0.0.1.2.7860. Now this is our generator. Yay! Let's try something. And generate. If you had problem in the middle of the tutorial, restart your computer and try it again. If you want to know what all these options can do, I will cover it in my next tutorial, but for now, thanks for watching.